Okay, we're going to find out a tech tip today about stained glass. And so I turn it over to you.
So I have been going back and forth with my intermediate pieces. I'm taking my class, first class, so today is my 4th class. And my little pieces I get to take home and I foil them at home so that I have something to do in front of the TV. But every time I would drive, all my pieces would kind of slide around in my car. I have a box that I put it in, but I just kept thinking, what can I do? So I got one of these silicone liners. Well, it's actually from my cookie sheet stuff. We're not baking right now. And these binder clips. So I put it on it thinking that the silicone would help hold those pieces together. So I should have prepared this faster. So I'll take these off. Let's see how well my little plan worked, because they were all over the car. I had to re-piece my puzzles. Oh, would you look at that?
All right.
Much closer.
Much closer.
Much closer. So I just need to put my little pieces and slide them back into place. I think that if I had another clip on the other side, that would have held everything better together. I just need to get another clip.
Very cute, and what a good idea. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.